This is an assembly demonstration for a sunflower with leaves ground spinner from In the Breeze. Out of the package, it will look similar to this. You should have one large sunflower spinner, a sunflower center end cap, one fiberglass pole with attached horizontal axle, an additional fiberglass pole section with leaves, and a ground stake. Start with the axle and slide the sunflower spinner wheel on the axle. Attach the sunflower center end cap. For use in high winds, we recommend a small amount of glue in the sunflower center end cap to permanently hold the spinner wheel in place. Take the fiberglass pole with leaves and attach to the fiberglass pole connector firmly. You are now ready to enjoy your sunflower with leaves ground spinner.